Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to reverse money on Capitec app. Is it possible? First, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to reverse your money here in the Capitec app here, just in case you made some mistake on their transfer, well, there are a few things that you may want to do and you may want to know. So first things first is you need to be quick about this one. So you want to open up the app here and you want to go and just sign in into your account. Now once you're signed in, you want to go to the very bottom here and go and click on transact. Now inside the transact section, you want to go and scroll down a bit here until you see the option that says debit orders. Now inside the debit orders page, you should see your history. So in this case, you want to go and select the transaction that you may want to reverse. And once you've clicked on it, it should show you your current details. Now the first thing that you want to check here is going to be the status. Now if the status of your debit order here has been approved, well, the thing with this one is you won't be able to fully reverse the money. So meaning the transaction is already done, you won't be able to reverse your money. So if that's the case, you may want to contact the recipient of the actual money and maybe ask them to maybe like return the funds in that case. But in some cases, you may not be able to reach out the actual recipient here. So what do you need to do? Now, if you are of the status already approved here, you could actually reach out to support. Now, if the status is actually not yet approved, like for example, it's still ongoing, well, you'll have higher chances of reversing or getting your money back. So in this case, from moving forward from here, you may want to contact the official channels for the Capitec bank here, and make sure to reach out to them to official channels. So maybe try visiting their website or try contacting them inside the app. Now, from then on, just ask them for assistance on reversing, or in this case, disputing a certain debit order in your account here. So in this case, once you actually mention that, they will guide you through the process. They will ask you to fill out the form here and answer a few questions. But in this case, that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.